Welcome back friends to RT Dashcam and part 3 of our Barrackpore to Dumdum Airport drive. In this section, we will continue our journey from Kalyani Expressway via Sodepur Road, heading towards Dumdum Airport Road, also known as Jessore Road or National Highway 12. Our route will pass through New Barrackpore and parts of the Madhyamgram area. For people who frequently travel between Sodepur and the airport, this is actually one of the main connecting routes. So this drive should give you a clear idea of the road conditions and surroundings along the way. There is also another route towards the airport through Belghoria, which I will show in a separate video in the future. During this drive, I will mainly highlight important landmarks and key locations along the route rather than narrating continuously. As we approach New Barrackpore railway station, there is a well-known sweet shop nearby that serves excellent Rasgulla. If you ever pass through this area, it's definitely worth trying once. The outer surface of the Rasgulla is incredibly smooth, and the texture is so soft that the moment you place it in your mouth, it almost melts instantly. Kolkata is famous for its sweets, and there are many shops known for Rasgulla and other traditional desserts. But personally, I feel this place serves one of the best Rasgullas in this area. So I made a quick stop here to pick up some sweets. I'll end part 3 here. In the next and final episode, we will continue the drive from this junction and head directly towards the entry road of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Dumdum. Approaching Jessore Road. Right ahead, we are about to reach Jessore Road, which is part of National Highway 12. This is one of the major roads leading towards Dumdum Airport and central Kolkata. We have stopped here briefly at the traffic signal. And this is also a good point to pause this episode. So if you would like to see the final approach to the airport, make sure to continue with the next part of this journey. Thank you for watching RT Dashcam. Stay aware, drive safe, and enjoy the journey.